Let me show you how you can save some of these really cool fonts that people share with you on Canva to use later when you're ready to design. Once inside Canva, you're going to go down here to the toolbar and you're going to hit brand. Basically what branding allows you to do is to choose colors and fonts and things that you use often, and then it appears on the left-hand side of your screen when you create a design. To create a new brand, you're going to come up here to the corner and click Add New, and you're going to want to do a brand kit. And you have to give it a name and hit Create. Once you've created your brand, you're going to come down here and you're going to see everything is pretty blank. So here you can go in and you can hit color palettes and you can choose colors that maybe go on a scheme with your classroom or that match the mood of a design. And then down here is where you can choose those fonts. So if you have fonts that people have shared with you that you don't want to forget, you could just click here and then you could choose a font from the list of things that you like. And every time then from that on, within this brand, your headings would be in that kind of font. After you choose the fonts for each of those, I like how they show them to you side by side. So you get an idea of whether or not they would look nice in the document that you're creating. Now to show you how to find the brand that you've made. So you can go to a presentation, any type of document in Canva, and you're getting ready to design. And if you come over here, you can go to text and you can click your brand kit that you have. And now your fonts and your colors and things are gonna show up. So here are the fonts that I just chose. And then let's say I wanna go to font and then I wanna go to colors. Now I didn't choose any when I showed you guys, but the colors that I picked would be right here. Like and follow for more ways to use Canva in the classroom and leave any questions you have in the comments.